Thank you. We have fought the war on drugs. So nice chicken whisperer vintage shirt long. Whenever I bring it up as something we really need to end, I get blank stares. My older relatives really have a hard time grappling with that one. Yes. The other example that stops a lot of people and gets them. Nice chicken whisperer vintage shirt. Tank top. V-neck. Sweatshirt and hoodie. 'Cause there are a lot of them who have been nice chicken whisperer vintage shirt caught up in all this. I play a little game with them and ask if tobacco is harmful and highly addictive. They answer yes. I ask if they think it'd be more effective for people who have those problems if we threw those people into prison and gave them felony records. They say of course not. Then I ask why they think it's good policy to do that with those drugs but not other drugs. I have also heard from old people the expression meaning, my fat, my beauty, other products.